What if you woke up tomorrow morning and your business had already answered every customer email, processed every order, updated your analytics dashboard, posted your social media content, and even followed up with leads, all without you touching a single thing? No team, no overtime, no missed messages, just results, waiting for you while you slept. That sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but in 2025, it's not fiction anymore. It's happening right now in small businesses, solo companies, and even Fortune 500 boardrooms. And the people doing it, they're not smarter than you. They're not working harder than you. They just discovered something most people haven't heard of yet. AI agents. Not ChatGPT, not a simple chatbot, not some automation tool that breaks every other week. A real, fully autonomous AI system, one that thinks, decides, executes, and learns, running your entire business operation in the background, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And here's the thing nobody is telling you. Setting this up is no longer reserved for tech companies with million-dollar budgets. Today, a single person with the right knowledge can build an AI-powered business engine in a matter of days. But there's a catch. Most people are building it wrong. They're missing one critical piece, and that missing piece is exactly why their automation falls apart.